This is Sensei Hoover from Hoover Karate Academy. I am grateful to be in the martial arts for over 50 years and teaching the martial arts for over 40 years. It is my pleasure to teach the martial arts to all different age groups and enjoy watching the process of character development and life skills, to see the growth and the strength, getting in better shape, becoming stronger individuals. The martial arts is an age-old system that dates back for thousands of years, teaching self-discipline, self-respect, self-control, self-confidence, self-defense, and self-awareness, one not being greater than the other, teaching all as a whole to begin the process of becoming stronger inside as well as outside. The proof is in the experience of the time and energy spent in this place we call the dojo, to see not first but second generation of children's children brought back into the same place where they learned the skills of the martial arts, growing up to be strong men and women who are productive. And lastly, this place we call the dojo, this place where we all come together to become stronger individuals, the relationships, the bonding, the excitement of seeing the greatness in each and every one of us, the stronger helping the weaker and the weaker becoming stronger. No ego, just getting better at the end of the day.